Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create a liquid text effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, select the Type tool from the toolbar and click on the program monitor to type your text. Then, please make the necessary adjustments to the text layer from Essential Graphics. Apply the Turbulent Displace effect to your text. This effect will give your text a wavy, fluid appearance. Adjust the settings of the Turbulent Displace effect from the Effect Controls panel using Amount and Complexity. Click the stopwatch icon and set the starting keyframes for the amount to 100 and complexity to 1. Next, move the timeline forward and change the amount to 200 and complexity to 2. Then, move the timeline forward and set the parameters to previous numbers. Press the spacebar to preview the liquid effect. The text will appear flowing. Now, you can create a liquid text effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if you found this video helpful.